everyone, it's Nicole from Martech. Just wanted to pull a quick video together that helps explain one of our latest tools. It's a rental versus outright purchase calculator for gas detection equipment. A lot of our customers are responsible for managing and maintaining quite a large inventory of gas detection equipment. Getting the right technical specification can be an absolute minefield, but so can making sure you've got the right commercials in place. So we thought this tool would be really handy. It makes comparing sort of really simple and easy to do, and I thought I'd just take a few minutes walking you through it. So what comes next? Well, it's nice and easy. You just need to get your hands on the calculator. If you visit our website, visit the Triple-C page, enter a few quick details, you'll be able to get instant access to the calculator. So now that you know how to get to it, I thought I'd walk you through a really quick example of how the calculator works. We've designed this in such a way that it only takes a couple of minutes. We know how busy our customers are. The only piece of information you're going to need to fill in is your monthly cost per gas detector, and the calculator will do the rest for you. So as part of this process, we've done quite a lot of extensive research into the market average for a monthly rental fee. The figure that we've come up with is sort of £280, which sits sort of bang in the middle in terms of what companies are charging on a monthly basis for a standard multi-gas detector. So if you pop that number into the calculator and press enter, you can instantly see the results. The calculator shows you the total cost of renting over 3 years and compares it against the one-time purchase price of a Triple-C. So based on that £280 monthly fee, let's take a look at the savings. First, if you purchase the Triple-C unit on its own, your total saving over 3 years is a massive £9,545. Even if you invest in a full kit, which comes with bump testing equipment, you're still saving £9,220. And for the complete package, including an external pump for pre-entry checks, your saving is £8,875. As you can see, these savings are significant and can make a real impact on your operational budget. So as the calculator's just shown us, the cost of renting really can spiral. I really would urge you to hop onto our website, download the calculator, punch in your own figures and see in black and white just how much money you could save. We know how expensive it is for organisations that are having to invest in critical safety equipment, and by taking the comparison, you never know, you might just be able to revolutionise your gas detection programme, save a ton of money that can then be reinvested back into your organisation and back into your people. Thank you.